Hi, in the previous class we discussed that how we are going to make the spherical surface means I told to you we are going to take the spherical globe means sphere which is made up of with glass. That thing which size you required. For example, I am going to say you required much more curvature. Curvature means you need more bending. Then I have taken very small sphere. Then I am going to cut like this. This dotted line representing that I am cutting the globe. Sir, I don't want that much of curvature, sir. Bending I don't want that much of. I want less. Then I am going to take here. I hope you are seeing here. I have taken very big sphere. After taking the big sphere, I am going to cut this sphere like this. Once observe, Nana. Here it is having the curvature is more. Here if you observe clearly, it is having the curvature is the less. So I am going to ask the question to you. Whenever we are going to make the spherical surface, if we need the spherical curvature is more you required, then we have to take the small sphere. Otherwise the curvature should be small, sir. Then you are going to take the big sphere. From there you are going to take the very small part. So now today we are going to discuss what are the terminology belongs to spherical mirrors and how we are going to make the spherical mirrors. These two things I am going to discuss here. Please observe here. Anyhow, from this sphere or from this sphere, from any one sphere, you have taken the one piece. I am going to give the two parts. Maybe in the mathematics also you know that, sir, this is called bigger arc, this is called the smaller arc, big arc and small arc. If you are going to observe here, I am going to draw here like this. So see here, Nana, if you see from your side, this is the one part, means where we have done already cut, that part I have taken, here I kept. Simply I am going to give some names and how we are going to make the mirror, we are going to discuss here. So now in the previous class already I told to you, sir, this part is, if you observe clearly, when you are coming this side, it is like the cave. Cave means in the Telugu I told to you, guha. So now this is called concave surface. When you see from here, it is like the opposite to the concave, convex surface. That's why you have given the name is, this is the concave surface, and opposite surface you have given this name is the convex surface. Please, so many of our friends will get the confusion after discussing this much also. After going to the exam they will say, sir, they will get the confusion, this is the convex or concave, this is the convex or concave. You should remember like that. Cave means మన తెలుగులో గుహ. సో ఏదైతే గుహలాగా లోపలికి వెళ్తున్నామో ఆ సర్ఫేస్ని ఏమనివ్వండి పేరు ఇచ్చిన మనం కాన్కేవ్. సో అపోజిట్ రిమైనింగ్ ఏంటిది కాన్వెక్స్. క్లియర్? ఇంకా ఈజీగా అర్థం కావడం కోసం మన సాంబార్ స్పూన్ ఉందా లేదా టీ స్పూన్ ఉంది చూడండి, ఆ టీ స్పూన్కి మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే మన టీ స్పూన్ ఇట్లా పట్టుకున్నా, నా ఇమాజిన్ చేసుకోండి నా చెయ్యి టీ స్పూన్. టీ స్పూన్ అంటే టేబుల్ టీ స్పూన్ కాదు, చాయ్ పెట్టే చెంచా, కొంచెం ఏముంటాం డెప్త్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ స్పూన్ తీసుకున్నా సాంబార్ది లేదంటే ఈజీగా అర్థం కావడం కోసం. ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు ఇట్లా చూస్తున్నావో ఇది ఎట్లుంది, కేవ్ లోపలికి వెళ్తుందా, సో గుహలాకి వెళ్తున్న ఫీలింగ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దీనికి ఇచ్చిన పేరేంటిది కాన్కేవ్. ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఏంటిది నాన్న కాన్వెక్స్. So for convenience only I am using the Telugu. In the comment box which language you required, mix up language or only Telugu or only English, you can give the comment. Your comments gives much more energy for me. And second thing I am going to say, please, who are the class 10 students are there, subscribe my channel, and next week we are going to start the more classes for class 9, class 11 and class 12 also. That's why please inform to our friends who are studying in the class 11, 12 and class 9 also. Physics, maths and chemistry and bio. These 4 subjects will be uploaded in our channel. Okay, thank you very much. Once again come to here. So this name we have given the concave, this name we have given the name is the convex. So now when you want to make the concave mirror means what, Nana? Concave mirror means concave surface should behave as a mirror. Then I am going to say it is a concave mirror. Otherwise, in these two surfaces, convex surface is going to behave as a mirror, then you are going to say this is the convex mirror, sir. So then you have to understand here, otherwise in your mind one question will come. How you are going to make the concave mirror, sir? Once observe here, Nana, I have taken, this is the surface, already I told to you, from here or from here anywhere, I have taken the one spherical part. Next what I am going to do here means observe here. In metals, generally you learnt it, metals are good reflectors because we can make, generally when the light is going to fall on the metal, why it is good reflector means it is not going to allow the light. Easy to understand, I am going to say. When I am going to place the torch light on the iron sheet, any light will pass through the iron sheet? No, sir. Very good. Second thing, I am going to take the any zinc, otherwise silver, otherwise gold, otherwise aluminum, whatever you want. Take any metal. These all metals, they don't allow light through them. That's why they are sending the backward more. Then in the mirror means what, Nana? Mirror means which reflect the light is called mirror. Then I am going to take here any metal we can take, but generally we like to take the silver metal. Why, sir? Means when, for example, see here, when I take the very small amount of the silver, if I am going to melt it, it is easy going to spread. Then we are going to converting liquid of, means converting silver into liquid, and we are going to make here coating. Which side we are going to make the coating? Convex side or concave side? Convex side. Why you are doing convex side coating? Because our intention is, sir, we want to make the concave mirror. That's why this surface should be colored. That's why here I am going to give the silver. And after that, when you are going to give the silver coating, to represent that, I am going to make the dark line. This is the lines. What is this meaning? Means this side it is the colored. Now when it is the colored, this side is going to behave as a reflecting surface. Then you are going to give the name is, this is the which type of mirror, Nana? I am going to give the name is concave mirror. May you got one question. Sir, now you told that, sir, here you have given the silver coating. But when we are going to see in my home, backside when I see it is having the red color, sir. It is not having the silver. Because see here, silver is generally, when the silver coated, already this is the mirror, it is coated with the silver. Every day by daily use, when you are going to touch, maybe due to our nails or due to any touches with other material, the silver coating will be get the scratches. When it get the scratches, when you see from here, some light is going outward, some light is getting the reflection. Then you won't get perfect reflection. 100% it is not behaving as a mirror. That's why what we are doing means, on the silver coating, again by any one color, red color, otherwise black color, otherwise any one color, simply we are going to say on the silver coating, again we colored with red. So now I am going to ask the question to you, please tell the answer for me. If you see this question, sorry, if you see this diagram, I will ask some questions you have to give. That's why I told you in the first day only, when you sit to listen and see the my online class, you have to sit with one copy and pen, because it is very very useful. When I am going to ask the questions, they improve our knowledge. Same questions we can expect in our examination, because in our examination before it was there to follow the question bank. Some of the questions will come big 5 marks question, big questions they will come, you need to buy it. Now our completely education system is changed, our question exam pattern also changed. Completely depends on our knowledge, how much you understand, that only it is going to ask. So now I am going to ask the question to you. Please, first question, if you required, you write the question, otherwise listen the question and give answer for me. Here in this concave mirror, shall I write the question here? I am going to write the question here, Nana. First question is, in concave mirror, which behaves as a reflector. Did you understand my question? In concave mirror or in convex mirror, when I come to the another thing, I will explain to you that also. In convex mirror, which behaves as a reflector means which part. Here three are there, don't get confusion. What are the three parts, Nana? One is the glass surface, very good. Second one is silver coating, very good. Third one is color. Color, what purpose we have given, you know. Silver coating, what purpose we have given, you know. What is this glass surface, why we have taken also, I am going to tell to you. See, now when the light coming and falling on the surface, that light can travel through the glass surface or not? Yes, because glass is a transparent material. That's why light can travel through the glass. After passing through the glass, it is going to fall on the silver surface. Then only it is getting the reflection. So I am going to ask the question, which behaves as a reflector means you should write answer. When light, answer I am going to write here, Nana. When light falls on concave mirror, glass allows light, but when it touches silver coating or silver surface gets reflection. Then I hope you get the one more question in that one. Sir, already here light is getting reflection by the silver only. Then why you have taken the glass surface, sir? Very good question. See here. Here silver, how much I have taken? Maybe it is the half gram or 1 gram. Total is I am made into the liquid and I have given the here one like the foil. Foil means very very thin foil. May if you want to understand, I will give you one example. మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా మన మామయ్య వాళ్ళు లేదా మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు స్వీట్స్ తెచ్చినప్పుడు స్వీట్స్ పైన డెకరేషన్ కోసం చాలా థిన్ సిల్వర్ కోటింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి, అక్కడక్కడ చిన్న చిన్న పీసెస్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి, అవి ఎంత థిన్ ఉంటాయి. సేమ్ అలాంటి కోటింగే మనం ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినాం. అలాంటి కోటింగ్ నువ్వు ఇంట్లో ఇట్లా పట్టుకొని ఉండగలుగుతావా? ఉండలేము. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ గ్లాస్ గివింగ్ సపోర్ట్ టు దట్ సిల్వర్ కోటింగ్. Second thing, may you will get the one confusion. One question. Sir, why I have taken only glass, sir? Means glass surface. Yesterday in the previous class I told to you, when you need the reflection properly, accurate reflection you required, then you need the surface is very very smooth. So now when I am going to keep the silver coating on the glass, now once observe, glass is very smooth. That's why when the silver coated here, then silver layer also got same amount of the smoothness. That's why now silver got very very fine smooth. That's why it is going to give maximum amount of 95, 98, maybe 99% reflection. So that's why glass surface is giving smoothness and giving support to whom? Silver to hold, means to stay there. Clear. Second thing is, what is the use of this red coloring or black coloring backside? I am going to say, generally we are going to give the red or black color, red oxide, otherwise the black color we are going to use, or red also we are going to use. That they won't ask that color, colors, what coating color. Generally they will say, why do we like apply the color? Then I am going to say, silver is very soft. When we are going to use for daily life, it is going to get the scratches. That's why to avoid the scratches, to give the more life for the mirror, what I am doing, Nana? We are coloring it. Is it clear? So this is called a concave mirror. So now I don't to explain much more this many things in the convex. You can understand everything is the same. Same thing I am doing. The same surface I have taken like this. Same surface I have taken. But in this case what I have done, I want see from this side. Then I have to color which side? I have to color this side. Then this side I have done with I have silver coating and color with any red oxide or any one color. Then I am going to say this is going to behave as a mirror. Then this is which type of mirror? Convex mirror. What is meant by the convex mirror? Means the concave side is colored, then convex side behaves as a reflecting surface, then it is called convex mirror. Is it clear to you? So this is about the concave mirror and this is the convex mirror. Now I want to discuss terminology. Sir, what are the terms belongs to the concave mirror and what is the terminology belongs to the convex mirror? So now once observe here, Nana, I am going to rub this one because I required some space. This I am going to rub, Nana. Shall I rub this one also? Very good. Thank you. Now listen here. First what we have done? Sir, we have taken the one spherical globe which is made up of with glass. Again, which portion you required, sir? That portion. For example, I am going to take this sphere or this sphere, any sphere you can take and you can explain, you can understand. Now see, I have taken this is the sphere. When you are going to imagine the sphere, I am going to say this is the curvature. That's why only these mirrors are called curved mirrors, spherical mirrors, because they have taken from the sphere. What is meant by the spherical mirror? Then can you give answer? A mirror is made by, taken a part of whom? Taken a part of sphere. Then I have told the name is what, Nana? Spherical mirror. So if you required, please write the sentence. Spherical mirror means whose reflecting surface is in shape of curvature, or a mirror is made by taking a part from sphere is called spherical mirror. No confusion in this one. Is it clear? So next thing, sir, when I have taken this sphere, it contains one center. In the mathematics also it is clear. When you are going to imagine the one football having the one center at the middle. So now I am going to say this center I am going to represent it by letter is the C. Then what I have given the name means this is center of sphere. Clear? Now this center for complete sphere only. Then I have taken this part. This part diagram I am drawing here. Any one side, this side I colored. So now when I am going to take in this part here, if I am going to imagine the sphere, you are going to get the same sphere. Then here from the curvature, here for example imagine, sir, when you have taken this total sphere, it is having the some radius r, some having the radius r, everywhere distance is same, no? Then I am going to cut, I have done the cut this one and I kept here. So now here also one center is exist or not? Very good. Now what is meant by center of? I am not here, I used the word what? Here I used the word is center of sphere. But here I am not using center of sphere. I am using the word is center of curvature. Why? Sorry, here total sphere is not there. It is what, Nana? This is a part of the sphere, curved part. That's why the center I am going to give here the same name I am giving. This is called now what, Nana? This is called center of curvature. What is meant by center of curvature? Center of curvature is a center of sphere from where this curvature part has taken. Again, if you want to write, again I am repeating it. What is meant by center of curvature? Center of curvature of spherical mirror is defined as center of sphere from where we have taken spherical curvature. Is it clear? It is represented by letter C. Represented by letter C. So now I am going to use another one word. I am going to introduce the new thing. Here this curvature is there here, like this curvature is there, Nana. Now if you are going to observe here, how much curvature is there, sir, means how you are going to measure? You are going to take the one thread. Why? You are not going to take the scale because it is not a straight line, sir, it is a curved line, sir. That's why indirect method in 7th or 8th class standard you learnt that I have taken one thread. On the thread like this I have taken the one thread. On thread I have given one mark like this. One mark I have given. This mark I kept here and slowly I am placing on the mirror like this. Again up to here I have taken. Here I have given the mark. Now again I stretched that thread I kept on the scale. Then I am going to say what is the length. Length means you are going to say, sir, for example, after placing on the scale you got 8 centimeter. Then you are going to say what is the curvature, length of the curvature. Length of the curvature is 8 centimeters, sir. Clear? So now what is meant by length of the curvature? Length of the curvature means the length from where to where, Nana? Length from A to B. But when you say A to B, you will get the one confusion. Sir, A to B shall I take from the A to B straight or in curved one? You have to take in the curved one. That's why I am going to give one more point. What is that point means? For example, A to B, how much you got? 8 centimeter. At middle point I have given the name is, one point I have given the name, that name I have given, that is the pole P. What is meant by pole means middle point of spherical curvature or middle point of spherical mirror. Midpoint of spherical mirror is called pole. So right there, Nana, what is meant by pole? Here I am going to write here. First point is midpoint of spherical curvature is called pole, represented by capital P. One point is completed. Then I am not going to write, it will take the lengthy. What is meant by C, Nana? Center of curvature. The radius, center of curvature means center of the sphere from where we have taken this part. Is that clear? Then I am going to ask the question to you. From C to A, from C to B, from C to P, distance is same. Why? It is the radius. Okay, then I am going to say this distance C to P, if you are going to join, this name I am giving capital R, because here also what you are given? Capital R. What is meant by capital R, Nana? Capital R is radius of whom? Here it is radius of sphere, but here it is not a sphere, it is a part of the sphere. What we have given the name? Curvature. Curvature means curved surface. Then I am going to say radius of curvature. What is meant by the radius of curvature, Nana? Please write there. Distance between pole to center of curvature is called radius of curvature, represented by which letter? Capital R. Clear? So now you got 3 or 4 points. A to B in curved path. Then I am going to say APB length is called length of curvature. Length of curvature I am writing here APB. Clear, Nana? Length of curvature or curvature length. Second one length is there, one observe. What is the second length, Nana? If you take A to B straight line, then it is called what? Linear length of curvature. Linear means what? In the line. So I am going to write here linear or line, linear length of curvature equal to how much? AB in straight line. APB means what, Nana? APB means you have to come from APB. This is called very good, length of the curvature. Same thing I hope you can you can apply here also. I am giving the name is AB given na, I am giving the name is the CD. Then sir, CD midpoint is given what, na? P. Then CPD is called length of the curvature and CD is called linear length. And if you are going to imagine, you are going to get the one center, capital C I am keeping here. Then this is center of the curvature. Then if you get the confusion, I am going to give here E. Then this is C is the center of curvature. This is called what, Nana? Radius of curvature. Is it clear for you? So this is the some terminology. about the spherical mirrors. So now more terms are there, and I will give in the next video. Okay, thank you very much, Nana. Once again I want to remind you, please subscribe this channel for get the notifications. నేను తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నా, ప్లీజ్ నాన్న, ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ ఛానల్ మీకు ఉపయోగపడుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నారో ఈ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం ద్వారా ఏమవుతుందంటే పక్కన మీరున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తారో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. అంటే నేను ఎప్పుడైతే వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తానో మీకు ఆ వీడియో చూపించడం జరుగుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.